Sanibonani bafethu. Today ngifuna sikhulumela about Ria bafethu and AI. Abaningi bathi AI abayithandi. AI bafethu ikhona, uyayithanda uzohlezi ikhona, yebo. And uRia la ngithanda the fact ukuthi upha uSoul noMacG ama-flowers wabo about podcast yabo for ukuthi abasize ukuthi akwazi ushaya suka ayibona into le which like is a best song ngiyangithola and mangimamele interview la khona bekhuluma khona sithi kahle kahle isuka le yakhona le uyisample from Adi Willie ngiyayibona into le ika lento ka youngstana eyenzwa uKabza the Small I'm sure ku production and all the stuff but which like isuka like it's a best song you understand eyenzwe nge-AI yayibona into le
doing with AI, you know. And then I have to give a prop for you guys. Bro, you guys changed my fucking life, dog.
What do we do?
Oh, no, you're welcome.
No, like legit.
What happened?
What for?
So then Saul goes on one episode, he says, some other guy sent me a message saying he does AI music.
Oh, yes.
And then you said, bring him the following week.
Yes.
Who comes the following week?
That guy.
Gift Lubele.
Yeah, Lupele, yeah.
Remember
Lupele.
him?
I remember.
I'm busy with this app, ne? And I'm watching you because I usually just watch you guys in the background, you know? And like he's sitting there and he's just talking like, yeah, this is what it does. And immediately I stop everything I'm fucking doing. Dog.
Yeah.
I'm like, I have to figure out what is this?
Wow.
AI music.
Okay, you went to know right there and then.
I went on ChatGPT.
Oh, man, where's our royalties?
Yeah, Suka, we gave birth to Suka here, man. Fuck, bro. Would not be Suka without us.
Wow, that's
I swear to God, dog. I swear, bro.
Suka.
Bro, and you know what's so crazy is that when we were doing that episode, because I'm into AI, right?
Yeah.
But sometimes Dudu always tells me that chillers complain that I talk about AI
Yeah,
too much.
I've seen those.
You understand? So,
You need to tone it down, dog. It's too much.
Bro, you know what I'm saying?
Even I love AI, but he talks about
yeah,
AI way too much.
so when we were doing that episode, I'm like, oh, this is not gonna land. It's not gonna land. That's why we did like 30 minutes at the end.
Yeah.
You understand?
But those are the gems, though.
wow.
That for people like us, you know, that are really
Dope,
paying
that's
attention.
beautiful.
That don't just
Wow.
want the
Yeah,
commentary
yeah,
on,
of
like,
course.
you know,
Yeah,
that can actually
yeah.
help them out. And then I went on ChatGPT same time. I said AI music platforms. It showed me Udio. It showed me Suno. I opened Udio first. I'm looking at Udio. I'm like, okay, this one is a bit difficult to use, this one. I opened Suno. Soon I give it a try. I start generating a couple of stuff with ChatGPT. Bro, Suka comes out, dog. I swear to God.
Okay, what's the prompt?
The
Give us
prompt
the prompt.
is must I read it out? Fuck it.
Yeah, fuck it, bro.
Fuck
So
it,
wait,
dog.
so if I'm sitting home now, I can type this in Suno and
It's
I'll
gonna
get
give you some.
Suka.
No, not you have to still.
and abaningi bathi AI yabhora ini AI izinto zobasethela umsebenzi AI ifikile izothatha i-industry of music yonke lento le which like is not true you understand AI ayisazi isiZulu they understand AI ayisazi Sipedi AI ayisazi Sesotho AI yabona yazi ama-African language ayiwazi so you can sing African language which like you can beat AI yayibona lento le but AI ngiyithanda when it's come to ukwenza ama-beat you understand because ama-upcoming artist abanayo imali finance for ukuthi bangahamba ubhadala ama-studio session and all those things so AI ingakusiza lapho ukuthi ukwenza lama-beat and then ikumiksele kumasterele and all those things special isuno you understand is the one ongayisebenzisa if you upcoming artist for that ukuthi uzokwazi ukulekelela ukuthi ukwazi ukukhipha umusic kanjani omnandi uyayibona into le so it's very important guys ukuthi as an upcoming artist ukwazi uba align nezinto ezenzakalayo emhlabeni you understand ungabe ngumuntu osemuva itechnology iphambili kakhulu and don't make it ukuthi manje ibe excuse ukuthi ungaphumelele life yakho yazuri ifike khona is because of AI imlekelele ukuze akwazi ukutreasure la ngoma le yayo uyayibona into le and noba uthi awukho talented you can be able ukushaya music uyayibona into le so guys AI is positive at the same time is negative so kuya ngawo ukuthi uyisebenzisa kanjani so mina le video lena ngiyenzela laba aba-talented but abangenayo imali for ukuthi bangene studio for ama-beat and all those things you can have i-laptop yakho and then ube ne-speaker sakho esincane ube ne-mic yakho and then ube soundcard if awuna soundcard just usebenzise i-USB cable mic and then use Suno you can create the best music ever Vikhethu Ncane bafethu this is the time for ukuthi umuntu omnyama arise guys musani ukuyeka ama opportunity ekhona ni business ama excuse about inhlupheko zenu ngencane bafethu